Government bonds? Low-yield investment schemes by banks? Or are you still calling your broker to purchase stocks on your behalf? That is an age-old way of investing. And if you're watching this video, I guess you aren't doing that. If you're still thinking about it, then forget that dusty old financial world. We're about to crack open the wallet of tomorrow, and let me tell you, it's gonna blow your mind. Think beyond Wall Street suits. We're talking cryptocurrencies that shake the system, blockchain that rewrites the rules, and VR trading floors straight out of sci-fi. But with great potential comes great uncertainty. Dealing with this uncharted territory requires courage, curiosity, and a willingness to adapt. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the future and secure your financial freedom? In this video, we'll present the wallet of tomorrow, navigating the future of investments. So, let's get going. The evolution of investments. Imagine 100 years ago. Your investment options were about as exciting as watching paint dry. We're talking gold bars so heavy you needed a forklift, land deeds signed with quill pens, and stocks traded by carrier pigeons. No wonder people buried their money in mattresses. At least it provided entertainment if you jumped on it, and some even left the entertainment for us by burying gold treasures in barren lands. Fast forward to the Roaring 20s, when everyone thought they were a Wall Street whiz. It was all about stock market mania. People threw their life savings at anything with a ticker symbol, even if it sold buttons made of clouds. The crash, of course, was epic, leaving wallets flatter than a pancake and dreams more deflated than a punctured blimp. Then came the stable 50s, where everyone played it safe with savings bonds and government-backed mortgages. It was reliable, like investing in, well, beige wallpaper. Not exactly thrilling, but at least your money wasn't doing the Charleston off a cliff. The psychedelic 60s brought a splash of color with mutual funds. Suddenly, diversification was the name of the game, like spreading your investments on a pizza. A little cheese, some pepperoni, maybe even some pineapple? Wanted to do that! The tech boom of the 90s was all about .com crush. Everyone thought the internet was made of gold, and companies with names like Pets.com were hotter than a habanero pepper. Spoiler alert, the bubble burst, leaving more .com millionaires broke than a wishbone. And now, in the 21st century investing frenzy, we have a smorgasbord of options. Cryptocurrencies that make your head spin faster than a teacup ride, robot advisors that manage your money like tiny Wall Street Terminators, and even investing in space junk, because why not? It's a wild ride, but hey, at least it's never boring. Today's investment landscape. Alright guys, we've journeyed through the hilarious highs and lows of history, but let's talk present day. The good news? You're no longer stuck with carrier pigeon delivered stock tips. The bad news? The options are more dazzling and potentially confusing. Stats time. Did you know that in 2024, retail investor participation in US stock markets surged from 15 to 35%, with millennials leading the charge? Also, retail participation in crypto is on the rise, notably in eastern regions like Korea and Japan, signaling a resurgence in the crypto market. Now, let's understand the opportunities in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the different altcoins. If you count the dApps, NFTs, the options are endless. But if you learn about blockchain, you'll realize it's beyond finance. This technology isn't just for crypto bros. It's revolutionizing industries like healthcare, supply chain management, and even voting. Imagine investing in companies developing secure, transparent blockchain solutions for real-world problems. You could be making money while making a positive impact. Now that's an investment with heart. Robot advisors. Think of them as tiny digital stockbrokers in your pocket. They analyze your risk tolerance, goals, and maybe even your astrological sign to make investment decisions for you. Lazy investing at its finest. Alternative investments. Think beyond stocks and bonds. We're talking crowdfunding platforms, real estate investment trusts, and even financial ownership of things like artwork or racehorses. Basically, you can invest in almost anything these days, except maybe your neighbor's questionable beanie collection. Alright, we've explored the crypto craze, dipped our toes in the metaverse, and hopefully avoided any rug pulls along the way, but remember, the investment landscape is a living, breathing beast. So, where are we headed next? Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to blast off into the future. The future awaits. Imagine VR trading floors where you don your headset and navigate 3D charts, feeling the market pulse around you. No more boring spreadsheets, just immersive data visualizations that make picking stocks feel like piloting a spaceship. Hopefully without the whole exploding into stardust thing. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, companies are already developing this tech, and it might be closer than you think. And let's not forget about AI, the ultimate investing sidekick. These smart algorithms are already analyzing mountains of data to predict market trends and suggest personalized investment strategies. Imagine an AI advisor that remembers your risk tolerance, financial goals, and even your emotional state because let's face it, panic selling is real. It's like having your own mini supercomputer in your pocket, constantly whispering wise investment advice. But the future isn't just about fancy gadgets and robot overlords. We're also seeing a shift towards sustainable and ethical investing. Imagine putting your money into companies that are tackling climate change, promoting social justice, or even developing sustainable food sources. It's not just about making money, it's about making a positive impact on the world. And guess what? Studies show that sustainable investing can also be pretty darn profitable. Emerging technologies and trends. The biggest emerging trends for investments are blockchain, AI, and metaverse. But we've talked enough about them. Let me introduce you to more underrated trends that can be the biggest revolutions of tomorrow. Number 1, bioprinting and the future of food. This might sound like something out of a sci-fi film, but bioprinting technology can revolutionize the food industry. Imagine investing in companies that can print meat alternatives, personalized nutrition supplements, or even lab-grown organs. With the global food market constantly evolving, this could be a gold mine for savvy investors. Number 2, quantum computing. This tech can transform an entire century. Quantum computers could solve complex financial problems in seconds, unearthing hidden market trends and optimizing investment strategies beyond our wildest dreams. This technology is still early, but the potential is mind-blowing. Imagine getting ahead of the market curve with the power of quantum calculations. Number 3, the great decarbonization. Sustainability is no longer a trend, it's a necessity. Investing in companies developing renewable energy solutions, sustainable infrastructure, and carbon capture technologies could be not only good for the planet, but also highly profitable. Remember, the future is green, and investors who embrace it could reap the rewards. How to prepare. Alright boys, with all these mind-blowing trends and technologies, how do you prepare for the investments ahead? Here's your cheat sheet. Let's get it. Adaptability is key. Don't hesitate or doubt anything you don't know. Any new trend can make you a millionaire. Knowledge is power, but don't just blindly follow trends. Dive deep, research, and understand the potential risks and rewards. You just have to double check and look up for some trusted sources. Diversify. This mantra never gets old. Spread your investments across different asset classes, risk levels, and emerging technologies. Don't be afraid to experiment. A small portion of your portfolio can be your play money for exploring new assets and strategies. Just remember, responsible investing still reigns supreme, so keep your experiments controlled and your research on point. As we dock back to Earth, remember that the cosmos of investments is always expanding, offering new worlds to explore. Speaking of exploration, don't miss your chance to embark on an adventure with Dreams Competitions. Dive into a universe where your investment knowledge could unlock amazing rewards. Whether you're aiming for the stars or just shooting for the moon, Dreams Competitions offers a galaxy of opportunities to win big. Subscribe now, leave your insights in the comments, and follow the link below to discover the next frontier of rewards. Who knows, your next investment could not only be profitable, but also incredibly rewarding. Until next time, keep your investments smart, your ambitions high, and your journey with dreams exciting.